Welcome back, friend! Last time we crash landed on the blue planet and had to add sounds to the beginning of words in order to put our rocket ship back together. Adding the sound f to the beginning of it makes fit. Now that our rocket is back on course, we'll learn how adding sounds to the ends of words creates new words. That will make this rocket blast through the next section of our game board. Get your counters ready and let's go! Adding a sound to the end of a word is a lot like adding a sound to the beginning. First, we need to figure out how many sounds we have. Let's start with the word day. Count the sounds with me. D, A. 2. I have one sound for each counter. Now I want to add the sound T to the end of this word. Where should my T counter go? Last, that's right, at the end of the word. The last step is putting all the sounds together like this. D, A, T. Date. Day, add T to the end, gives us date. Let's check our map to see if changing day to date helped our rocket move along the game board. Look, the rocket went forward a space. It looks like we still have a ways to go, so let's get back to our sound quest. The next word is row. Count the sounds with me. R, O. 2. Place one sound onto each counter. R, O. Next, add the sound D to the end of the word. What sound comes first? R. Next, O. Last, D. Put them all together. R, O, D. What word do you get? Road! Great! When we added D to the end of the word row, we were able to make a new word. Our rocket ship is moving along the road on our game board every time we add a sound to the end of a word. Let's keep going. Our word is bag. Count out the sounds in this word. B, A, G. How many counters will we need? 3 this time, right? B, A, G. Even with 3 sounds, we can still add a new sound to the end. This time, let's try Z. Put all of the sounds together. B, A, G, Z. Bag, add Z to the end, gives us bags. It looks like there's something inside one of these bags. Let's see. It's another word, hip. Pause here to figure out how many sounds there are in the word hip. Did you say 3? Great! I'll place one sound on each counter. I, P. Now add the sound O to the end of this word. Put all the sounds together. Hip, add O to the end gives us hippo. A hippo in space? Wow! It's your turn to try all by yourself. The word is sun. Pause here to put one sound on each counter. Great! Now add the sound E to the end of the word. What word do you have now? Sun, add E to the end, gives us sunny. I wonder why it doesn't look sunny out here in space. Here's your last one. Pay. Put one sound on each counter. Do you have 2 counters ready? Great! Now add the sound s to the end. Pay, add s to the end gives us pace. We've been going at a great pace through the Sound Quest game. We made it all the way to the end of the next section on our board. Whoa, what is that? An alien! We come in peace! The next time we're together, our new alien friend will take us on an adventure where we'll learn about changing sounds in words. Until then, you can check out the PDF and online practice for more fun activities. Remember, the more you play with sounds on your own, the more amazing discoveries we'll make together in our Sound Quest. I'll see you soon, friend. And remember, always be clever. Hey.